I have been canning peaches today, and one of the things I like to make when I make peaches is peach nectar, and here's why. Because if I get any peaches with little blemishes on them, then this is something I can quickly and easily throw together and then use later. So peach nectar is this really thick, kind of pulpy drink that you can add to, well, a lot of times my kids like adding it to Sprite. My husband's added it to milkshakes. I mean, it's essentially like this really sweet peach puree. It's kind of lovely, actually. So to begin with, they would need to be blanched and then cut in half and pitted. And what I do is I go through and I use all the pretty ones in my canning for my peaches, and then these ones I set aside for the peach nectar. So then I'll fill up my blender and I'll blend it on high until it's smooth. Now that it's smooth, I'll pour it into my pot. If you like it to be more pulpy, you can just do it on a lower setting. And then I'll do my next load of peaches. This really is kind of a satisfying one to do because it is so easy. And again, I'll just puree it until it's smooth. Then I'll place this on the stove and bring it to a simmer. So it came to a simmer, it gets nice and frothy, just to warn you. And then I move it over here to get ready to fill my jars. This will go into quart-sized jar, and each quart-sized jar will get half a cup of sugar. You can change that according to taste. I double-checked with my husband this time. I was like, is it too sweet? Because sometimes I feel like it's a little too sweet, but he actually really likes it the way it is, especially since he dilutes it sometimes with other things. And then I'll fill my quart-sized jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace, which is the space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. I'll use a clean, damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jars so that if anything got on the edge, that it won't interfere with the seal. And then I'll place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. I'm using Superb Lids today, which is an American-made company. They have this amazing seal to them that seals for up to 36 months. It's super squishy when you press on it, and I just feel like it does a really good job of adhering to my jars. I have a link as well as a 20% off discount code in my description below. Now I'll place these in my boiling water bath, submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water, and I'll process them for 20 minutes if I'm at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 25. But I won't start my timer until after it begins to boil. Now that my timer's gone off, I'll remove the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I place the jars on a heat-resistant surface about 1 to 2 inches apart so that they can cool quickly. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I know they have a nice seal if the center of the lid has depressed down. If it has, I'll remove the rings, wash them with hot soapy water, and store them in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry, and use them in the next 1 to 3 years. If any of these didn't seal, I would place it in the refrigerator and use it right away. So the taste tester. So it's good. You get that concentrated peach flavor. I really like to combine this with a little bit of Sprite on some ice. Really good that way. And it's a quick, easy way to utilize the peaches that don't look 100% perfect.